Whether you have a spacious backyard or a cozy balcony, vintage style adds a timeless, romantic touch that never goes out of trend. From weathered wood to antique metal pieces, everything old becomes new again when styled right. Start by introducing some rustic furniture. Look for wrought iron chairs, distressed wooden benches, or a vintage bistro set. These pieces don't need to be perfect. In fact, chips, cracks, and a little rust only add to the authenticity. Add floral cushions or lace throws to make the space cozy and inviting. Old-fashioned lanterns or hurricane lamps are perfect lighting choices. Hang them from trees, place them along a pathway, or use them as a centerpiece on your table. If you're aiming for a fairy tale atmosphere in the evening, consider warm, toned string lights with a vintage bulb design to cast a magical glow. Nothing says vintage like repurposing old items. Convert an old wheelbarrow into a flower planter, use a watering can as a hanging basket, or stack vintage suitcases for a quirky side table. These unique touches spark curiosity and are great conversation starters. Garden signs and antique wall hangings can also elevate your space. Hunt for enamel signs, old window frames, or weathered shutters from flea markets or thrift shops. Hang them on your garden wall or fence to create an artful backdrop with historical vibes. For color, stick to muted pastels, faded whites, sage greens, and dusty blues. These tones blend beautifully with nature and enhance the nostalgic feel. Use vintage style ceramic pots or terracotta planters with floral patterns to tie everything together. Lastly, don't forget about fabrics. Outdoor curtains in floral or toile patterns, lace table runners, or even a patchwork quilt on a garden bench can complete the look. Vintage outdoor decor is all about layers, stories, and soul. So let your space reflect your love for the classics. Enhancing the outdoor space with thoughtful garden decoration can significantly elevate the overall look and feel of a house. From vibrant flower beds to charming pathway lighting, every element contributes to creating a welcoming and visually captivating outdoor environment. Incorporating features such as cozy seating areas and decorative planters adds personality and charm to the landscape. let's talk about something important. You don't need to spend much to have a beautiful home. It's all about finding pieces that resonate with you and arranging them in a way that feels authentic and welcoming. Whether you're thrifting for unique finds, DIYing your own decor, or repurposing items you already own, there are endless possibilities for creating a stylish and personalized space on a budget. So don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. With a little imagination and resourcefulness, you can transform any space into a place that feels like home. Thanks for watching.